Welcome back, everyone, to another riveting episode where we're going to unravel the secrets of the Cold Plunge Jump Slay, a revolutionary technique that promises to banish lethargy and breathe life into your everyday routine. So, why do we often feel lethargic? It's a result of our bodies striving to keep everything balanced. But when you throw in stress, lack of sleep, and a sedentary lifestyle, this balance is disrupted, leading to that all-too-familiar feeling of sluggishness. Ready for a change? Enter the Cold Plunge Jump Slay. This fascinating method marries the rejuvenating power of cold therapy with the rush of jumping into action. When you immerse yourself in cold water, your body instinctively responds to the chill, kickstarting a series of physiological benefits. What happens when you take the plunge? Cold exposure triggers the release of endorphins, dopamine, and adrenaline. These are the feel-good chemicals that not only elevate your mood but also enhance your energy levels and mental clarity. On top of that, cold therapy can boost circulation, strengthen your immune system, and even help you lose weight by activating brown fat cells. So, how do you do a cold plunge jump slay? Find a cold plunge pool or fill your bathtub with cold water and ice. Take a few deep breaths to mentally prepare yourself, then dive in. Embrace the shock of the cold water as it revives your senses. After a few moments, harness that energy and excitement into a forceful jump, symbolizing your leap from lethargy to action. To help you visualize the transformation, picture it through the lens of 3D animation. Imagine your body reacting to the cold, with blood vessels constricting and then dilating. This optimizes circulation and sends a rush of oxygen-rich blood to every cell. Visualize your mood instantly lifting, your energy levels skyrocketing as you emerge from the plunge, ready to seize the day. So there you have it, the transformative power of the Cold Plunge Jump Slay. Whether you're battling lethargy or just in need of a natural energy boost, this technique could be a game changer. Don't let sluggishness drag you down. Take the plunge and slay the day. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more episodes on optimizing your health and well-being.